Hello and welcome, this is Techotex, and in today's demonstration we are showcasing a smart automation workflow built in N10. In this setup we have created a Telegram Lookup assistant that allows users to search for records from a Google Sheet simply by sending a command like /lookup xyz name. The workflow retrieves the relevant row, formats it using AI, and returns a clean professional professional summary back to the user instantly. The workflow starts with the Telegram trigger node. Whenever a user sends a message with like /lookup and name, this node captures the text, the chat ID, user metadata, the sheets node to get all the records. Function node is used to extract the search text after the /lookup command, convert search text to lowercase to support partial matching, loop through Google Sheets rows to find the matching name, return structured JSON data including the name, city, date of birth, etc. The if node to check the condition. If the record found, it's sent to the Gemini model, or else send a message that the record not found through a Telegram message node. The AI model creates a summary of that record. The AI model generates a summary of that record. This is Google Sheets data. We consist of 3 records right now: John Doe, Sarah Ali, and AB. So let's send a message on Telegram. Let's execute the workflow. The workflow has been executed successfully, and we have received a response. John Doe was born in 4/5/2010, residing in London, status is active, and email 4/5/2010, active and London. This automated lookup system is a great example of how Techotex leverages N10, Google Sheets, and AI to build efficient, user-friendly solution. From a single Telegram command to a fully structured response, everything operates smoothly without manual effort. Thanks for watching.